Hi guys, this is Gerard Shifting Lens, and yes, we're going to cut some foam again. Now I have a large sheet and I want to get some smaller pieces, so it's me, myself and I, my Proxon and a sheet. Let's see how it's done. Well, I'm in the kitchen and I want to cut smaller pieces of foam out of this big sheet. So I have my kitchen table, looks really bad. If it could tell stories, it's amazing. Anyways, so there's nothing on the table apart from my machine with a guider and a block of foam. My machine is on the left, block of foam is on the right. And before I start cutting, I even pull the machine a little bit towards me. Now underneath the machine are rubber thingies. And if I pull it over the edge, okay, there they are. Now these little, how do you call them? These little knobs that are underneath the machine, they now fall over the edge of the table. So if I push my machine towards the camera, it doesn't move because these little things stick out and prevent it from shifting. And that's exactly why I pull the machine over the table, so it's more stable and it's fixed in its position. This block is as high as the work surface of the Proxon, and this block will support my large sheet on the far right, seen from my position. So I take my block, I put it on the machine. I have a foot pedal, which is very handy because I cannot reach the on and off switch, so I can recommend a foot pedal. Anyways, I can now gently push the whole sheet forward, and you see the hot wire stays in its position, and the benefit of having a smooth work surface, a smooth kitchen table, means that it doesn't take much force to actually push the whole sheet forward. And there you have it. Now this is a small strip, and just so you know, you can use your guider to cut any kind of strip. So with the guider and with this setup, I can make blocks or long sheets like this. But if I want to make if I want to cut larger chunks, wider chunks, then I simply use this part of the machine as a guider. So I put the corner in and the block over here, and you see it's now in an angle, the wire is here. So watch this, I will switch on the power. Now I rotate the sheet until it's aligned with the machine, and the only thing I have to do now is gently push the whole sheet forward and a little bit to the side so it stays connected with the fence or the machine, the metal bar. And there you have it. So this is how we cut big sheets into smaller parts. And yes, you can use the machine itself, but of course you can also use the Guider Pro, the Guider Pro 2.0, and links are in the descriptions. Anyways, I hope it makes sense, and keep on crafting.